Hey Mac friends, it's Dana here from Mac Medics again. Coming to you today to tell you how important it is to back up. I'm helping a customer who is in for the third time for a broken M1 Air screen. Thankfully, they're under AppleCare, but none of the times they've been in the shop have they accepted my offer to start a backup for them. So every time they break their screen, it's a major fire drill to try to get the unit connected to an external monitor, grab stuff from the unit and put it on a thumb drive so they can get back to work. It always happens at the worst possible time. They're always in a terrible rush, and it's always a hassle because they don't have a backup. Plus, they've had to rent a machine from me at least twice because they just don't have another way to work, and it's mission critical. So the moral of the story is, we'll help you back up your data for free to Time Machine, and that way, if your machine ever goes down, where you break your screen, or there's liquid damage, or the unit is stolen, you have all of your important data. There's really no reason to be scrambling every time something happens with the machine and you can't see your screen. So if you need assistance, I'm your guy. Come visit us at the shop. We'll set up Time Machine for free. You can bring your own blank hard drive, or you can buy one from me, and I will set you up so this never happens to you. Stay safe out there and back up your data.